Hi guys! Good afternoon! So ito na nga, nakabalik na tayo sa LA. So, kami po ay naglalakad lang. We're going to a lunch place. Kaya ang ingay niya. Ano ba yun? We're just walking. Papunta dun sa restaurant kung saan kami magla-lunch. So, it is a Japanese restaurant. So, hinahype ni Kuya Bray. Sobrang sarap daw ng hanger steak. So, tingnan natin kung talagang achievable. Galing guys, oh. Tumatabit na robot. Delivery system nila dito sa LA. So cool. Bye, Zilu. This is where we're going to have our lunch. Gyukaku Japanese barbecue dining. So, unlimited daw to. All you can eat. So, let's go. KBBQ moment, guys. So,
Yeah, this one.
Where's the lunch that you're talking about?
The lunch is not here. It's in a different menu.
Oh, okay, like this
But that
menu
was
or
like
that's
the-
drink menu?
Appreciate na ka.
correct. Alam mo yan ate. Diyos ko.
Sabi niya kaya mas gusto ng family.
Yeah. Mas ano siya sa family. I mean, sanay siya sa maraming mga pamilya. Kasi yung isa hindi. Hey guys! So, nakabalik kami sa unit. And currently guys, ready na kami for another. We're ready for the next ganap for today, which is pickleball. So, we're gonna meet Kuya Carlo there. And yung friend ni Kuya Bryce at Angelica. To play some pickleball. So, probably 2 hours daw yun. So, after that, let's see kung saan tayo dadali ng hangin. Ito na kami sa aming, ano siya, actually, park siya. So, Memorial Park. So, itong area na to, marami siyang mga sports area. So, meron siyang pickleball. Tapos, ito, basketball. Tapos, over there, football. Tapos, yung mga pickleball courts nandun. Well, anyway, papakita ko naman siya mamaya kapag nandun na ako. I'm just looking for a restroom dahil ihihina po tayo. So, I can't wait to play pickleball dahil medyo matagal-tagal akong di naglalaro. 2 months. Pero, ilalaban natin yan. Papakitaan natin ng mga tao paano maglaro ng pickleball. Charot, kala mo magaling. Ito na guys, ng pickleball courts. So, come on guys, let's play!
Just take control. You ain't more than diamond, more than gold.
Treat when a dog see me like a thief in the night, like she stole my green. Got me walking up the scene like a hole in my jeans.
So we finished almost 3 games. Wala ko yun. So ngayon nagpapahinga muna kami. Yan. Kuya Carlo. Kuya Carlo. So yan, ngayon sila Kuya Bray muna yung naglalaro. And after this, magpapahinga na kami. We're gonna roll again. Let's go. Hey y'all, so inabot na kami ng gabi. So currently guys, it's 8 p.m. So kanina pa kami naglalaro, mga 5 p.m. So 3 hours na. Oh my God, sarap pumayat ako. Charot. So far sa mga laro ko, 3 out of 5. 3 wins, 2 losses. Gusto mo yan? So, kailangan pa rin dagdagan ng isa. Sana madagdagan. So, currently guys, it's 12:18 and anyway, sobrang pagod. Well, sobrang sayang pagod. Like yung masayang pagod. Ganun siya. So, we're gonna rest now and we're gonna sleep. Well, freshen up muna and then sleep. So, good night. So, currently guys, we're back here in West Hollywood kasi I am here in Ulta. So, gusto ko kasi bumili guys talaga ng Ariana Grande makeup. And siguro kung may Rhode lip gloss, I will also buy that. Actually, more of Ariana Grande talaga. Pinunta ko talaga siya dito. Kasi wala naman nabibiling ganito sa Philippines. More of mga pasabay. So, might as well gawin ko na habang nandito ako, di ba? So, sakit pa rin ang katawan ko from the pickleball last night. I hope I make it through the rain. Shoota. Guys, I got the goods. Ulta Beauty. Halos mga Rem Beauty lang talaga to. Tsaka 30 ml of Mont Vanilla. Kasi I've been wanting to get that perfume for a very long time. Tsaka medyo mahal kasi siya bibilin ko pa siya online. May additional syempre kasi alam niyo naman kailangan pa siyang i-ship. So yung fee na dadalhin pa siya sa Philippines mas mahal. So dito naman na tayo. Bilhin na natin. Okay? So more shopping.
Enjoy it.
So dito na kami sa may Santa Monica Boulevard. So we're gonna buy my shoes for pickleball and also hopefully magandang racket din dito. So we're just walking around Santa Monica Boulevard. So check lang, pinapakita lang ni Kuya Bray yung mga place here and also yung mga restaurant. So doon kami possible magla-lunch. So depende. I also got some goods from Sephora. And then after this, I think we're good. So pwede na kami magpahinga, umuwi bago pumarty mamayang gabi. Ngayon ay naglalakad na kami sa may Santa Monica Beach. So it's a very nice place, maraming mga restaurant. Tsaka medyo maraming tao, kahit medyo warm yung temperature, it's really good. Okay, so maglakad-lakad pa tayo and then tingnan natin kung saan tayo maglo-lunch. So we're gonna have our lunch here, Blue Plate Tacos. So let's go.
We got rocks, frozen, Cadillac, and specialty noodles.
Anything you can think of.
They have everything.
I'll give you guys a second look. I'll be right back with your diet sodas. Thanks.
Anong usually in-order mo dyan? What flavor?
So in another life,
Okay, so in another life. Talaga bang hindi ka na nag-drink?
wala na eh. I think I would try the blood orange jalapeno. I might die with that.
So mahilig ka talaga sa something with spice, no?
Konting kick. My second choice in another life again, maybe yung passion and raspberry, fruity.
Ako naman, definite, hulaan mo yung ordering ko. Thanks.
Strawberry.
You're so good. You're so good. Yung pala yung pico de gallo.
Ito yan. Fresh tomatoes, onion, pepper, lots of lime. What do you think about the guacamole?
Sarap.
Similar to Chipotle?
Mas fresh to.
Really?
Exactly. They don't have to.
Really, yeah.
That's the way to go. Sa vlog. Beef tacos. Nachos, tacos. Guys, so we just got back here in the apartment. So marami tayong na-achieve. Nakabili ako ng mga makeup na gusto ko. And nakabili ako ng, syempre, yung Rem Beauty. And nakabili rin ako ng foundation from House Labs, Lady Gaga. So I really love that. And mga lip gloss or mga ano. I also bought 2, I think, from Rhode Makeup. And then, nakabili na rin ako ng shoes for pickleball. So, yeah, that's it. Hi guys, good morning. So I'm with Kuya Bray and we're on our way to Pickle Pop. So nasa may Santa Monica siya, na area. And then ano siya, indoor. So kami-kami lang halos maglalaro. So second pickle session for LA. So I still have another one tomorrow. Tapos konting araw na lang guys, I'm gonna go back to Manila na. Ingon, sobrang thankful and everything. So yan, si Kuya Bray talaga yung pinaka-sumama sa akin during this trip. And I love this for him.
Sinolo ng ilang araw.
Oo. Na-maximize ko yung cousin bonding namin dalawa. So, I can't wait to, rewatch itong vlog na to, just to reminisce yung LA trip. So, yan. More pa naman, mga vlogs for the rest of the trip. So, yun muna. Bye! Hey y'all, so dito kami sa Santa Monica and on our way to Pickle Pop. Yun yung indoor pickleball center na aming paglalaroan for today. So I really love the vibe kasi sabi ni Kuya Bri, it's all pink. It's very girly pop. So I'm gonna show you guys. So guys, we're here na sa court. So, sariling court siya and then it will last for 2 hours. And nag-usap-usap kami guys na we're gonna wear pink. And sobrang thankful ako kasi you know, pink is my favorite color of all time. So, ayan siya guys. That's the whole court over there. So, let's see. Yung mga laro namin. Medyo masakit pa yung katawan ko actually pero laban na. Hello!
Made it!
Oh, sayang! Ay, sadya! Guys, we're done with our pickleball. Diyan din kami. So, yan sila. Hi guys! Ayan. So, di ko na alam kung ilan yung talo ko. Basta, masaya.
We have a vlogger,
Vlogger in the family. O, diba? Abangan ng LA vlog. Yan na, perfect.
Oh, I love-
Guys, so, ngayon guys, mga 2 days na lang ata, alis na ako. So, we're gonna play pickleball with the family. So, let's go. But first, siyempre may mga coffee tayo. And
for the last
for
time.
the last time. So, Kuya Bri is driving for me for the last time. Dahil siya ang nakasama ko dahil tumira nga ako sa apartment niya for almost, actually, pa 2 weeks na. And ngayon, hinatid niya ako here na sa, sa house nila Kuya Albert, which is yung kuya niya. So, ngayon pupunta kami sa parang park near
1 block
Kuya
away.
Carla's place. O, 1 block away. So, kung maganda dito guys yung mga park nila for pickleball, for any kind of sports, it's for free. So, you just need to wait for your time to play and then you're good. Laro ka na. Diba? Unlike in the Philippines, halos lahat ng mga pickleball courts may bayad and everything. So, at least dito, diba, libre lang. You get to do your exercise and everything, your hobbies
Anytime.
for free and anytime. So, ayun, another pickleball session.
Lapit slowly, right? Lapit slowly, papi. Kaya. Hi, sir. Ikaw mo natin mag-bounce. Out, out. Out. Nice.
So, dito na kami sa may Devonshire, whatever. So, ito yung bahay ni Allen, mom ni Kuya Bri. So, they prepared lunch for today. So, all Filipino food. So, meron doon kare-kare, sisig, sinigang na baka, liempo, Sinasabi ko pa lang yung mga pagkain, gugutom na ako. So, we're gonna go down and meet Allen.
Ready na po ba
Bless
kayo?
po. Kami po, ready na. Anong number? 242. Po kami sa house ni Allen. Say hi to my vlog, Allen.
Hi.
Bless po.
Thank you.
Bakit nakaganon ka na agad?
Ang ganda ng dress ni Allen, guys, oh.
Where are the rest?
Pakit na po. Wow, Allen is preparing our food. Wow, adobo.
May adobo chicken, may adobo pork belly, and
Wow.
sinigang na baka.
Yay!
And coming to the PS Kare-Kare.
I love
And we
it.
have inihaw there too.
Okay, ito pala inihaw, oh.
Nakita mo pa yung pabalon nito.
Yes, makita po namin sa baba.
May mga pabalon.
May pabalon. Ganda ng unit ni Allen, no? Kasama dito si Tito Noni. Yan. Kuya Carlo and Tito June. So ayan, say hi sa my vlog.
Hello.
Ate. Yana, say hi sa my vlog. Kuya Ren.
Hi!
Hello. Hi guys. Hi. So ito guys yung place na pagkakainan namin. Pool area siya. And mga grill. Tapos yung mga food namin. So, it's time to eat!
Summertime like I'm always ready for angels close their eyes and
Ay, yung adobo ni Tito
Adobo.
Noni.
Hindi ko nilagyan ng
Sinigang. And kare-kare. Wala na, puro meat din ako.
Schedule natin sa may 20. Wala na si shopping. Kain lang tayo, balikan.
Akala kong ano. Tayo.
Lahat ng vlog mo nasa pagkain ako. Nasa serving.
Una huli ka doon ate ha. Huli ka. Ayun nga, as I've mentioned, it's the second to the last day here in LA. So, Kuya Carlo and his family with Ate Abby and his kids. Itutour nila ako around LA and then pupuntahan namin yung mga di ko pala pupuntahan, and then also I'm gonna visit Lakma daw, yung mga lights and everything. I mean naman, para full fan tourist na LA kasi ilang araw na lang. Yung mga shopping na achieve ko na yon. So, I might skip that. And also, punong-puno na yung mga maleta ko. Mga 6 kilos na lang max out na ako. So, that's it. Hi everyone, so I'm with the kids. So, here's Zion. And here's Sienna. Say hi to my subscribers, guys. Okay, I hope you get to see this video after I upload it on YouTube, okay? So, dito kami sa Hollywood sign. So, Lake Hollywood ang tawag dito. So, we're just gonna take pictures and then we're gonna leave. Dahil hindi rin maganda yung na-parkingan namin. Kapambigyan ng ticket si Kuya Carlo. So, papakita ko sa inyo, okay? So, that is the Hollywood sign over there. Ewan ko nakikita nyo, pero yan siya. Bumili kami nila Ate Abby ng fruits and drink. With the hinto, guys. Sarap. So guys, satisfy si Kuya Carlo dun sa taas. So bumaba kami sa isa pang view.
Lower angle.
Yeah. So ito siya guys. So ibang angle naman to guys. Mas mababa. Pero mas malapit. Medyo hiningal lang si Becky. Taas pala siya. May konting hike lang. Konti lang naman. Ayan, mas malapit nga. So ito na guys, we're here at yung Hollywood Walk of Fame. So dito yung mga stars, at naman. Then we're gonna see kung hindi ko na mapakita yan, dear.
That's reserved for you.
This is your.
Maybe.
This is going to be your star, Ziana.
Yeah. So now start practicing to be a star. Yeah, yeah. You wanna take?
Oh,
Oh,
sorry,
it's
go ahead.
Michael Jackson. Michael. There you go. Very good. Guys, sabi ko yung Carlo, bibidyoan daw niya ako for the taste test. So, let's give it a try. Kaya ko bang kainin to ng isang kagat?
Kailangan mong isubo yan.
Ano, kaya susubo ko siya ng buo. Ah.
Kahit mainit, kainin mo.
Okay naman siya.
Okay naman. Natikman mo yung bacon.
Yung bacon masarap.
Sarap.
Pero
So,
parang,
Iba
ano ni mga,
Iba siya.
parang, may pagkalasa siyang atay na ewan. Hindi ko may... Tapos yung mga vegetables kasi, may bell pepper, gano'n.
So yung panglasa mo na yan, yung hotdog na, hindi mo na makakalimutan.
Yun na.
Kasi luto at hotdog dog talaga yan eh.
Seryoso ba?
Oo. Hindi, joke lang.
Kaya pala gustong i-video ni Kuya Carlo kasi paprank pala niya ako. Ano ba yan? Pero masarap siya kasi may bacon siya, guys. Yung bacon naka-wrap dun sa hotdog mismo. So, at least, di ba? Kontawid gutom ba? Tesla Diner.
This is popular. Tesla Giga Burger. You should try this.
Sige. So, yan daw. So, yan. Pwede sila mag-order pala through Tesla. Huwag na yung hotdog, Kuya Carlo. Please, nakikiusap ako. Huwag na tayo mag-hotdog.
masarap siya.
Eh, pero nag-hotdog tayo kanina eh. Might as well burger na lang para ano, di ba?
We order burger and fries.
Pwede sila mag-order through Tesla mismo. Parang, ang ginawa ni Kuya Carlo, nag-GPS siya and then punas niya yung Tesla Diner and then order food.
No bun?
Mag-burger pa tayo, Kuya Carl. Alam mo, mababato ko tong camera sa'yo. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, dear.
Okay, si Yana wants cheeseburger lang.
Okay.
Touch,
No cheese. Charot. Ay, ayaw niya. Gusto niya talaga yung bun and burger lang mismo. And cheese.
Bun and cheese and patty.
Oh, so parang regular layer,
Ano ba
ano
the
lang.
electric sauce? No electric sauce?
Ano yan, manghang?
Sauce. Baka mauyanti tayo dyan.
Ayan!
Tapos
Itong mag-asawang to, eh.
$13 din.
Yes, the Tesla Diner.
Oh my God, so guys,
Swerte, swerte.
we have a spot.
Oh, yan yung screen.
I'm gonna have a kiss a pig. That's gross.
So, meron parang screen
I'm not
dito,
kissing my
guys.
ex-girlfriend.
Ayan,
0% chance.
Ite, you wanna watch some movies. Ayan. So, we're just gonna wait for our food to arrive. So, i-deliver daw dito mismo sa guys sa Vico. So, let's just wait for that.
Go inside. Sorry.
Ito lang din naman order natin kanina.
They have. What's that? Was that there earlier?
Egg bites. Pwede naman natin tayo mag-add eh.
Yeah. Okay, let's go around. Let's go.
Restroom, is it outside?
Oh, nice.
Parang mas maraming mga nagpapadeliver na lang sa car instead of online. No? Let's go na.
Let's try to go inside. Upstairs. Exercise again? Yung heart ko. Tumatalo na siya.
Heart monitor.
Oh, nice view. You know, before there's a long line just to go inside.
Dito? Kahit
Yeah.
sa taas.
Yeah.
Wow.
Maganda pala dito, ano?
Yeah. Okay naman yung weather, di naman ganun kainit.
Yeah. And it's not packed.
This one is vacant, I think.
Yeah.
Welcome, guys.
Malaki pala siya, ang daming upuan.
Oo.
Pwede pala tayo dito sa loob
Ikot pa
eh.
siya. tawagin na si Ate Happy. Kaso ano na naka-deliver to vehicle na
Naka-deliver
tayo.
Yan sana hindi tayo nag-tip.
Correct.
Ang ganda ng view. Oh, meron outdoor.
Outdoor siya. Kasi ito yung screen. May screen din dito.
Oh, look at that.
Mga mahal ng merch.
Oh, shoot.
Meron silang, yung Cybertruck.
Yeah. So if you wanna watch a movie, just hang out.
Pwede namang mag-watch ng movie sa car. Pwede rin naman mag-dine in kayo sa restaurant. So, your choice, your music.
So tama-tama, dalawa yung screen na.
Correct. We're gonna open the food over here.
Of course, you gotta show them this.
Yan.
Mini
Oh my gosh, guys. Ito yung nilagyan nila, guys. Mini Cybertruck. So, this is the burger. That's the Giga Burger. And,
This is probably the fries.
baka ito yung fries. Let's see. The cheese, let's put this first here. Let's see if ito yung fries. Yeah, this one is the cheese fries. Pa natin. Pahingin muna ako sa Haya. Natikman lang natin. Sarap. Crispy.
Here's I.
Here's your fries.
Oh, there's egg. Yes, egg.
Sarap.
What's up, Chef?
Mm-mm.
Really?
Joke. Naka-vlog kasi. Ano naman na? Naka-vlog kasi tayo.
Kasi yung experience namin ni Abby talaga. We have high expectations because it's
Kasi nga Tesla.
pero nung tinahan namin siya, okay. You know.
Crispy naman siya.
Pero this one looks good.
So yan, hindi pa na-try. I-try natin.
Eh? What do you think?
So we came up with this plan
Good?
to substitute the ice cream with something a lot cheaper like mashed potatoes.
Who's right there? Stop.
Way
You
up.
want it?
We are gonna
Okay naman to.
so much more money.
You want half of it?
Ano lang, sakto-sakto lang. Mid lang, mid. So guys, this time, pupunta kami sa Lakma. So ito yung famous na mga ilaw-ilaw. And we're gonna take some cute photos. Alam niyo naman. Ayan. Kuya Carlo ay nililid tayo patungo sa Lakma. We're here! So it's time for photos! Guys, so I'm with Tito Noni and Allen over there. So, dadalhin nila ako sa IHOP for breakfast. Magkatapat lang sila ng Dennis.
Yeah, dapat lang ng Dennis. Mas marami
Yan,
kasi
IHOP.
variety sa IHOP. Yung
Mga pancakes po. Actually, may IHOP na po before sa Philippines, kaso nawala na Sara.
Is this Ate Beth? Nakita mo na si Tita Beth?
Yes po.
Yeah. Is this Tita Beth?
Sobrang
Carlo
kamukha nyo, Allen, para kayo
Nung
photocopies.
nang kinasal si Carlo kasi ninang siya. Sabi niya, Mama, meron palang gano'n na magkamukha ang dalawang tao, no? Sabi
Pero
niya,
kahit magpinsan lang, magkamukha. Thank you po, Tito. Ay, wow!
IHOP.
Thank you po. Ay,
Yun lang, walang pila ngayon. Dati
Yun nga po eh.
Dati mahaba ang sila.
It's breakfast time. Hi guys, the food is here. So ito na pa. I'll show you guys our food for today.
Tito Noni. Tito Noni. I from.
Allen
Hello.
and Tito Nani.
This is for everybody, yung food.
Ah, yes po. Sa pancake ko na lang po siya.
Yeah.
At least po pala may protein sila na option.
Yeah, this is protein.
Yeah. Guys, ito kami sa Beverly Hills. You know, we're just gonna roam around and see all of the stores here. So I'm still with Kuya Carlo and Ate Abby. So we're just gonna walk around. Siyempre mahal yung mga gamit dito guys. Window shopping lang. Hey guys, so tayo sa Rodeo Drive. So ang dami mga store dito and everything. So picture. So, can see guys, ang dami ko kasi picture dito. So, might as well mag-window shopping ka lang talaga. So we're just touring around Beverly Hills. So ito parang park naman to. So libot-libot lang. And para mas kahit pa paano mag-walk-walk tayo before another eating moment. Just a lunch. After this, we're gonna head on to Malibu. And then we're gonna... Santa Monica Pier muna pala. And then after that, Malibu to have some lunch over there. So let's go. So na guys, pipicture daw ako dun sa mga palm trees. So medyo may pagkabuwis buhay moment. Kasi may mga kotseng dumadaan. So mabilis ang ano lang to guys, picture. Pag nakulong, bala na. So tatawid kami. And let's see kung ma-achieve. Go, go, go. Okay, game.
Okay, ready? Oh, may tao. Wait lang.
Kaya ko.
Wait lang.
Kinakabahan ako.
Wait lang,
Hindi
wait
ko
lang.
kaya to. So pag na-upload yung picture, sabihin naging successful kami. Pero kung hindi, hindi.
Wait. Okay. Video, let's go!
Wala namin yung picture guys.
We made it.
We made it. So ma-upload yung picture guys. Achieve namin. Buwis buhay. So dito na kami sa Santa Monica Pier. So ito na yung second to the last stop sa aking LA tour with Kuya Carlo at Abby.
Here you go.
We're finally here. Daming tao guys. I love it. So pipili lang muna kami for the Route 66 picture. You know, this is like pinupuntahan talaga for photos. Papakita ko yung linya guys. Just for that photo, kailangan mong pumila. Guys, so ito kami sa Santa Monica Pier. So we're gonna stroll around yung mga stores and everything and the iconic Ferris wheel. So let's go. And yun guys yung beach. Santa Monica Beach.
West Coast.
Yan guys, oh. Ngayon medyo malamig, pero may araw pa rin naman, so technically yung weather medyo okay pa rin. Ngayon ang dami mga nasa beach. Okay, let's go. Cheetos corn. Thanks, Ate Abby. May Cheetos pa.
Hindi ko alam may corn chicken.
Let's eat. So let's go inside Pacific Park. Let's go. Mga rides nila, they have roller coaster, Vikings, and yung iconic na Ferris wheel. So if nakita niyo yung music video ni Beyonce na EXO, dito yun. If mahilig ako sa basketball, gagawin ko to. Kaso hindi ako mahilig sa basketball. Hindi ako na magpanggap guys. Hello! So maganda siya guys, if for example, nag-Ferris wheel ka. Maglando ka na sa tuktok. Makikita mo na yung mga beach and everything, yung buong view ng Santa Monica. So perfect siya for first date, mga gano'n.
At saka you have to maybe grow up with families.
So we just arrived here at Paradise Beach. Paradise Cove Malibu Beach Cafe. So this is where we're going to have a lunch. So ano siya guys, cafe restaurant na by the beach, which is akala, charot.
Please, ganda na lang ha.
Is good. Anong gusto mo dyan?
Watermelon, strawberry, mga girly. Ayan. Patron tequila ate.
Ako pinya.
Ay, Bacardi. Sige, 11 natin yan.
Laban
Tay.
natin yan. Isa lang tayo.
Yeah. Okay, we're here. Doon daw kami sa outside para mas makita namin yung beach. Over the beach. Beach view, gano'n.
Hi.
Kasi ketchup ang
Paradise Coke.
Fresh
Ba?
guac and chips, and then calamari. Yeah.
So, we're ordering lunch. And,
And then we
yung view
scan
namin
the-
is yung
we
beach.
Same.
So, it's getting hot.
we want drinks.
Ay, nag-selfie siya.
Ayan.
Gusto ko yun, te. View mismo namin, which is yung Malibu Beach. So, ang ganda guys. Ang ganda na mag-relax-relax dito, enjoy the food, bring your family. Si Kuya Carlo daw, tsaka si Ate Abby, they bring their kids here para mag-swim, which is I really get kasi sobrang ganda ng place. Guys, pag kumain kayo outside, may mga kalaban kayo sa food. Yan sila. So may mga chance na kukunin nila yung pagkain nyo, kaya dapat nakabantay kayo. Hi guys, I'm with Alan and I'm going to have my last dinner here in LA. Hot pot kami ngayon. So this is arranged by Danica. Thank you, Danica. And then we're gonna meet also Dylan and then Tita Pia and Tito Jumbo. And kasama namin si Tito Noni. Ayan. So we're gonna go find muna kung nasan yung shabu place. And then we're gonna eat. Ang daming
Maghapon siya
ang dami pong ganap dito, June.
Maghapon siyang mama.
Sabi
Apo.
ko kay Allen, dito ka na lang mag-doktor.
Ay.
Para may doktor kami rito.
Ayan. Cindy, narinig mo ba yon?
Option 1, option 2.
Naka-vlog po tayo.
Option 1.
Patay.
Hello.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Is your
Hi,
last
Len.
day?
I know.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Hi, Dylan.
We're gonna eat. Ay, Tita Pia. Hi, Tita Pia.
Kaya.
Hello po. Nice to see you po. I'll stay. I'll stay here. Yay!
Kita kami.
Where will I sit? Okay. Should I sit here? Okay. Oh, thank you, Dylan. It's time to eat, guys. So dito, guys, you're gonna order the meat sa table. Pero yung mga additional na mga ganap, you're gonna order it. I mean, you're gonna get it from here. Kailangan mo pumila and everything. So let's give it a go. Kaya pa rin tayo mahirapan, di ba? Yan. Perfect.
Yan.
Hey guys, so I'm now here at LAX and I'm headed towards my boarding gate, which is 205. I have my boarding pass already and you know, buti na lang medyo umabot kami na time. We're kind of like a little bit late. Actually, hindi late kasi I still have like 30 to 35 minutes to spare, and I just hope for the best. 10:16 in the morning, and our boarding time is at 11:20, so the plane will be at 12:25. So I'm going back to the Philippines, guys. So it's been a very nice trip. It is both my LA and my Canada trip. So nice. I met a lot of my family members there, and nakakasenti, nakakasad, syempre, you know. I'm happy that I met all of them. We had a lot of activities. We had a great tour in LA. I really want to thank you, especially to my family, for giving me the best time. It was only like 2 weeks of my stay here in LA, and also in Canada. So I really had a great time. So ang dami po natin mga naging realizations in life because of this trip. And I can't wait to go back here, you know, and to see what's next with the chapter of my life. May ganon. So, ayun. I would like to thank you guys for watching this 2-part video of my trip. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe.